Well, good day, everybody. It's Shane Head for Pop Sales and PopYachts.com coming to you today from Shreveport, Louisiana. And we're going to share with you something that's on a lot of people's mind as we're still in the summer fishing season. This is a 2021. This is the Excel Bay Pro Model 203 center console aluminum bay boat. Really sturdy construction, extremely clean, low hours according to the seller. Just recently had a service. It's believed, we don't have an hour meter on it, but it's believed the engine has less than 50 hours. And just looking at the overall condition of the boat, we would tend to agree with that. Obviously subject to your own inspection. We're gonna go ahead and go around and show you the condition of the boat. As always, if you're interested in seeing this boat in person, or perhaps have some questions, or you'd like to go ahead and make an offer, or if you need help with boat financing, you can do that, or get those questions answered by calling the number below in the video. As well as there's a link here in the video description. It will carry you on over to the website, popsales.com. There you can look at well over 50 pictures that I've taken here today, as well as all the specifications on the boat. And from the website, you can also do all of those things that I just mentioned from the comfort of your home, office, laptop, mobile device, whatever you choose to use. So guys, a couple of things. It's the Model 203. So this is a little over 20-foot bay boat, 115 Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke engine, skeg and proper and really good condition. Does have a jack plate here at the back. Also has the C-Star hydraulic steering. You've got a mounting plate here for a power pole. There's no trolling motor with this, and it actually has the dual mounting plates here, so you can put twin power poles, talons, whatever your flavor is on that. Boat buckle tie downs here at the back of the trailer. By the way, the trailer is a fully boxed aluminum trailer, single axle, custom aluminum wheels. It's got the trailer guides on the side and underneath, and I've got pictures of this. It has the forever bunk boards, so you don't ever have to worry about recarpeting or replacing the wood. Those synthetic bunk boards are certainly the way to go. The boat, we'll kind of give you a look at the back here, has a reflective textured metal surface. And even though it's really hot here in North Louisiana today, it's cool to the touch, so when you're out on the water, it's not going to burn you up. You've got that same texture along the top of the gunnels. Boat really does show well. Very minor scratch right here. Lots of storage compartments, live wells, your pre-wiring for all your electronics, your trim up, trim downs there, your wires for your trolling motor. And again, get you a good look at that trailer. Really good condition. Don't see any issues with the keel of the boat. Doesn't look like it's been beached on concrete or rocks. Rub rails in really good shape. All the upholstery on the boat looks good. Extremely clean. Rod holders on the side. You've got these really cool flip up seats here for your stern area seating, and they can fold down flat when you don't need them. Live well, bilge access, storage underneath, and access to your electronics in your center console. You do have a Lowrance HDS 9 that will stay with the boat. Windshield suicide knob, leaning post bench with a storage compartment underneath. And by the way, I've got more pictures of all of this there at the website. So again, I'll use that link in the video description here as we back away and give you another nice profile view. Beautiful color with the light gray on top of white. Really a nice contrast and a great looking boat, and a great intermediate size that can be used on freshwater or down on the bay or coastal areas as well. By the way, this boat has only been in freshwater. It's never been in saltwater. The seller's got 2 boats now. He's a crappie fisherman that was rigged for that, but obviously this boat can serve many masters, as they say. So there you have it, guys. It is the 2021 Excel Bay Pro Model 203, available here at Pop Sales and popsales.com. Again, if you want to see it in person, make an offer, or get pre-approved for boat financing, give us a call at the number below in the video. Or again, you can head on over to the website using that link in the video description here. So from Shreveport, Louisiana, for Pop Sales and Pop Yachts, Shane Head saying thanks for watching.